Okay, guys, good evening. Today is the 27th day of July 2023. I just want to make this journal, on GU trade. Initially when I was looking at GU from weekly was bullish, daily it was bullish. I marked my area of interest. The first trade I took, on this GU, as I have shared before, even on 4-hour time frame, it was bullish. I now went down to 30 minutes time frame. On 30 minutes time frame here, I waited for first thing first. After all this, when we are this area of interest and all this rejection candles, I went down to 30 minutes time frame. On this 30 minutes time frame, you can see that we are making a bunch of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, So I waited for this zone to break for me to take a trade, for this zone to break, which is the last, we have lower low here, then we have lower high. Lower low. So this is the last lower low. This is the last lower low, lower high that we had. So when market now broke it on this 30 minutes time frame, when market now took it out, market broke it here. You can see this impulse correction. So the first trade was there. You can put your trend line as well. You can put trend line from here to here. You can put from here to here. You can put from here to here, whichever. But I didn't enter the trade with trend line. I just marked my higher time frame structures. Then the only thing I do on 30 minutes is to look out for entries. Once we have a shift of structure, which we had here, this shift of structure, as market shifted, this is a higher high. Then market came down, do all the nyama. As market finished doing it, market regained a momentum here. I took this trade. Stop loss below this place. Then take profit at negative 61.8. Though this trade normally where my TP is on this trade is here. It's up here, 131. Because I want to swing the trade. I wanted to swing the trade, but this is just 30 minutes entry, which played out immediately. As we hit negative 61.8, market reversed. Market reversed. So this morning, I want to talk about what happened this morning during the news. Let me go to Forex Factory. Forex Factory. First of all, yesterday we had FOMC meeting. The FOMC meeting we had, which is Wednesday, yesterday, the basis point was raised to 25%. I want to share the lesson I got from today's macros and fundamentals and what happened on technicals too. So this happened yesterday around 7 p.m. So they raised this to 25 point. I don't know how they read it on this thing. Normally, as the thing was raised, market supposed to drop. Market didn't drop. Market was pumping throughout last night. Nigerian time, market was going up. But when I woke up in the morning, I noticed something. I noticed a divergence. The market was diverging. I was actually longing GU then. So this is where market is. I remember usually. I marked this. This market wants to drop. What am I doing? I put this trend line. This is how this market was. I put this trend line and say, okay, let me see what will happen. The market drops. But I still looked at this. I noticed the market was still diverging. In as much as market was still making a higher high here. So as I saw it, this is a London session, 10:30 a.m. Market made that bearish engulfing candle, which is enough to take a trade. Because if you still bring this fib up, you see, this is where I look for all this engulfing candle. I wanted to take the trade and I was like, no, let me wait because this is negative 61.8 also. So I was like, okay, let's see what's going to happen. Then that candle printed. This is why I always preach to wait to take a trade during London and New York session. So during the news that happened today, which is Thursday, the USD news, advanced GDP, it was positive. Unemployment claims was positive. So why I'm journaling this is next time, once all this news come out and we see all this data, we know what to do exactly. And during news, seeing this divergence forming, whatever that will happen on news, you always be showing footprint on chart. This divergence is showing this footprint during London session that's imprinted. Imagine taking this trade down here because this market will still come down here. This is 166 pip, just in a matter of few hours from 1:30 p.m. So that news came out around 1:30. There is nothing to hide here. We'll be seeing anything. The GDP positive, unemployment claims positive. So once all these things are positive, it will give strength to dollar. It gives strength to dollar. Then around 145 ECB, this woman made, but what drove the market well is these two positive news. Then the news that came out by 3 p.m. It didn't show anything actually. But just pay attention to this. For next time, I'm just doing this as a journal. I will look at it next month, once these two news are positive, then dollar will start going up. This was my analysis on dollar. Fucking bearish on dollar, no matter what. Dollar is bearish on weekly, bearish on daily time frame. So it's only on 4-hour time frame now. I should wait for dollar to come down again. Because what I need dollar to do now is make a correction because it has made a high distance high, then make this. Once it breaks, then I look for trade because dollar is coming down for sure. So as this was positive, the market drops. You can see, and during 1:30, this is 1 o'clock. This candle closed by 1:30. market kept on dropping as the news came out positive. So if you had caught this trade from here too, that's a big peak. The stop loss will be here. But during that London session, GU moved. You can see GU moved. Where it is currently, they have done a lot of people. So if you check EU too, EU, all the USD pairs, all the USD pairs. This one, 1330, that is 130. It gave this engulfing candle here, 130. Should have taken the trade. So we just check all the USD pairs we know. As news came out positive, everything dropped. This one did 58 people. Which USD pair again? Gold or more. Gold sold like mad person from here. This engulfing candle still by one, as this 130 candle closed, gold did 200 and something p. So just pay attention to that news next time. I will do now this. Very nice trades. Then USD card bought. I remember everything that is happening here. This thing didn't give a clean engulfing candle. It first of all dropped safe, liquidated everybody that long before moving up. Then USD chef, USD CHF, we bought also. I want us to look at all the USD. Let's check 1 p.m. This is 11:30. This is when this one gave footprint and say go. First of all, he gave it here. So the person that entered this trade during London session, the market will smashing him or her because this is where your stop loss is. But if you bring it down, make it 20 pips stop loss, you will be safe. This moved. That's 124 pips. Then USD JPY. I thought USD JPY was supposed to buy. USD JPY around for, it bought first. This pair is very much. I don't understand that pair. Then Euro USD. Euro USD by during 11:30. All these pairs. The first of all gave entry here during 10 o'clock. During 10 o'clock. We see where the engulfing candle happened. Gang. This thing engulfs. And dropped. So all this during this news next time, you watch this. so that you will take your decision. This is just like a journal, you know. This one printed its own by 10:30, pure engulfing candle. This one printed its own by 11:30. You see, SZD USD printed its NZD USD printed its own by 1 p.m. as you can see it here. So thank you and have a nice day. Remember the news, unemployment claims and advanced GDP. Advanced GDP is the main news, GDP. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye.